ओके, कैसे हैं बच्चों आप सभी लोग? टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट depolarization. What is depolarization? We just giving an example of related to depolarization. Suppose that this is a membrane. So it is made by, everybody knows that it is made by phospholipids and lipids things that will be crossing this membrane very easily. Very easily. But if a molecule is water soluble, and so it is not crossing this membrane easily because this membrane is made by the phospholipid, that is lipid. So lipid soluble containing things easily cross down this membrane and water soluble things that does not cross easily. So in that situation, the receptors are there. Everybody knows that about receptors. These are the very tiny and the particles that are on the outside and inside the cell. So this is called ECF, extracellular fluid, and this is called ICF, intracellular fluid. So here are the negative charges in the inside the cell membrane, and outside the cell membrane of the ECF, that is to be positive charges. In a day, everybody knows that 20 liter of fluids that to be comes and it is on the ECF side and to be consumed by the cell membrane, and to be the waste is to be going to this on the ECF. So there is a lymph system also in this series also, but it is a different chapter related to this. The negative charges are inside and positive charges are the outside. So positive charges are in the high quantity, that is to be on the outside, and negative charges on the ICF, intracellular fluid, to be this intracellular fluid and extracellular fluid. Extracellular fluid is also called intestinal fluids. Also, it is composed of three things. ECF is, that is plasma, interstitial fluid, and the other things are also to be related to this ECF, but we just called ECF, extracellular fluid, and in this plasma and interstitial fluid is also in this ECF. So in the depolarization, what it is? So everybody know that neuron musculus, but we're talking about the neuron. So here in the cell body, it is dendrites, lots of dendrites, an axon body that is covered with the myelin sheets, and to the axon, and this is the axon and the axon terminals. So here are the axon terminals. These are the buttons that to be on dendrites just carrying the messages and to be an axon to the axon, and this is comes in the axon button. And these are highly rich with the neurotransmitter, that is chemical neurotransmitter, that is to be filled in the vesicles. So everybody hear about the vesicles. These vesicles are filled with neurotransmitters, and these neurotransmitters are with the signal. Signal is the calcium ions are also there. The calcium ions are also on the outside. The calcium channel open. The calcium ions come and triggers these vesicles, and these vesicles release the neurotransmitters, and these neurotransmitters act on the post synaptic. Okay. So these are works on the post, and this is pre and post. So what is in this? So where is the depolarization? Here in this depolarization, suppose that it is a channel. It is a channel. These are the sodium ions. The sodium channel will be open, and these influx to the ICF, ECF to ICF. So in this situation, the positive charges are high. In that situation, more and more positive charges are coming from downstream inside from ECF to ICF. More positive charges are coming. More and more charges are coming. And this what in this situation we have seen in textbooks also in the relaxing situation. This is minus 70 MV and it is going to reduce by 55 MV and then it is going to reduce more and going to the charges comes into the positive manner. In the positive manner, it is comes around 20 MV with positive. So that is the situation. It is called depolarization. So that means it hits and the neuron transmitters are to be released. That is in this situation we just say sensory and motor neuron. Sensory, so it is working on the depolarization situation. So in this just senses and to catching and to power. So this is the situation that plus MV, that is called the depolarization situation. In this situation, the things are working, the signals are going to this axon button. We have been seeing in this situation also like this is also called synapse, and the gap between synaptic clap, so more and more positive ions, negative to positive. So this is the situation. After this situation, depolarization is also that positive ions, negative ions going outside and to maintain the situation. But that time the potassium channel will be open. But we are talking about only the topic is our depolarization. So today we just talking about an depolarization situation. So you can see there are so many things in depolarization. Minus 70 to 20 MV, neuron, dendrites, the axon terminals, axon buttons. So these are connecting with more dendrites. So dendrites and the cell body. With this, so this is the situation. So guys, just thinking about and to learn more and more. Bye bye.